What up, YouTube? RookiecardsRus coming back with another video. Just went to pick up some supplies at my card store and bought a few boxes. The first thing I bought was 09 Rookies and Stars Longevity. Got a Ever Brown Gold Auto to 250. LaDainian Tomlinson jersey, $2.99. A Larry Johnson jersey, $2.99. Anthony Gonzalez blue to 75. Tim Hightower Emerald 25 of 25, eBay 101. And the Brandon Jacobs and Tony Romo are both to 150. I also tried 2 tins of SP Game Used. And my 2 hits out of the tin were a Tyrus Thomas, Vince Carter dual jersey, and a Chauncey Billups Baron Davis dual jersey, both numbered $4.99. Now for Unrivaled, still sealed. I'm gonna bust this slide for you guys, and yeah, let's see what we can get. Talking to the guy who owned the card store, he said he's seen pretty much every box that is broken, and there was nothing really notable. This was the last box out of the case, so I don't know. Hopefully I have something to go back and brag to him with. But feels like I got 2 patch cards here. Don't really know, but here we go. Here's all the packs here. Put the thick ones on the bottom. And, let's get ripping. First pack is all base. I think these cards are numbered on the front. Woof. Wow. Holy shit. Excuse my language, but first hit autograph, Rob Gronkowski. I don't know if this is Ruby or what is it, but it is numbered 1 of 10. Wow. Hopefully this box will keep going the way that went. Wow. Alright. Next to number to 99, Pierre Garçon. Start setting these aside. Wow, that Rob Gronkowski is beautiful. Next we have Mark Sanchez to 4.99. Insert. Next pack is all base. More base. Tilt this camera down so you guys can see the magnificent MOJO with me. Alright, we got Ben Tate, rookie, number 999 of 999. Next, we have number to 299, Tony Dorsett, LaDainian Tomlinson, Rylan Matthews insert. Next, we have a Matt Ryan, number to 999 insert. Next, number to 499, Braylon Edwards. Next, number to 999, Armani Edwards, rookie card. You got all base pack. A rookie card number to 499, Golden Tate. Another all base pack. Got a Michael Crabtree, numbered 499. A Vincent Jackson insert, numbered to 999. Got about 6 packs left, guys, and then the attach pack. Got a Javid Best rookie, numbered 999. Got Jay Cutler. It's like a thick card. It's numbered to 759. Another all base pack. Another all base pack. I had a feeling I have, never mind. Wanted to say I had a feeling that I had 2 patch cards in here, but just pulled my second auto, and it is Sean Lee, numbered to 480. These must be just 2 of those thicker cards like that Jay Cutler. Yep, Pierre Thomas to 759. Tom Brady, 759. And for the patch, it is a brick. Gonna pull the 2 cards down front. Jared Allen, Jamal Charles, Troy Polamalu, yada yada yada. Sick. Ray Maluga, 3-color patch, number 2 of 10. Second card out of here, numbered to 10. Ray Maluga, 3-color patch, 2 of 10. Beautiful box. I don't know if numbered out of 10 means those are the case hit or what, but I guess those are going to be looking a lot better than they did, than the other boxes did. Guys, thanks for watching.